I'm gonna get with you.
Say no more, man.
It's over. You feel me? We ain't
Hey,
it's over.
hey, look, that no love.
All right, look, I'm on that now.
I'm running back to my homies.
I'm on that right now. I'm on that right now.
That's what it is. And look though, let me ask you this though. Like the response that you've been getting, is it where you want it to be at right now on the meter?
Absolutely. You know, I'm humbled. I'm overwhelmed with support. You feel me? Like it's 107 motherfuckers watching this shit, right? Hey, look, I'm overwhelmed by you motherfuckers. I love it. You know, I don't. If I just keep this same amount of support for the rest of my life, I'm good. We straight. We don't need that.
Hey yo, and look, I tell you this, just speak it, brother.
Facts. You know what I mean? Like this shit right here. You know this. That bitch right there gonna hit. That's gonna hit Billboard. You know what I mean? That's gonna hit Billboard. You know what I mean?
And look, that's the morning starter right there.
Facts. You know what I mean? That one gonna goddamn turn you up every time. That one gonna get you through it. Yeah. That one gonna get you through it. Yeah, but hey, first stop. As soon as I come up there, y'all first stop, guaranteed.
All right, say no more, family. And look, I'm gonna holler at you, man. Keep grinding, man. Keep it up. You got it. I'm telling you.
All love, my nigga. I appreciate you.
Say no more.
I can hook up with the buddy. I ain't got time to pretend. I'm trying to give me some credit, and I ain't really trying to be friends. I'd rather get to the money.